Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up PageSpeed Insights fixes for Shopify theme performance, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To improve your Shopify theme performance using PageSpeed Insights, start by visiting the PageSpeed Insights website. Enter your Shopify store URL in the provided field. Click on the Analyze button to generate a performance report. Once the report is generated, focus on the suggestions for improvement in the opportunities and diagnostics sections. Begin with image optimization. Use image compression tools like TinyPNG or JPEG Mini to reduce file sizes without losing quality. Replace unoptimized images in your Shopify theme with these compressed versions. Next, address the issue of unused CSS and JavaScript. Access your Shopify theme by navigating to Online Store and then Themes. Click on Actions and select Edit Code. Look for the CSS and JavaScript files that may not be utilized in your store. Remove or comment out parts of the code that are not in use. Consider implementing lazy loading for images. Install a lazy loading app from the Shopify App Store or add custom code if you're familiar with coding. This will ensure images load only when they are visible on the screen, improving load times. Next, evaluate your app performance. Remove any unnecessary apps that may be slowing down your site. For the apps you need, ensure they are optimized for performance. Consider using a content delivery network, or CDN, if your store elements load slowly. Many Shopify themes have a built-in CDN, check if yours is enabled. If your PageSpeed report suggests reducing server response time, consider upgrading your hosting plan or using Shopify's built-in features. Finally, retest your store with PageSpeed Insights. Repeat the process to see the impact of your changes and continue to tweak for improvements. With these steps, you'll be on your way to enhancing your Shopify store performance significantly. If the page does not load, refresh the. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.